How to clean your Ninja Blast safely. Keeping your Ninja Blast clean is key, but doing it wrong can damage the motor or make it leak. Here's the safe way to clean it. 1. Never submerge the base. The motor base is not waterproof. Wipe it with a damp cloth only. Never rinse it under the tap or dunk it in water. 2. Wash the cup and blade by hand. Rinse the blending cup and blade assembly immediately after use. Use warm, soapy water and a soft brush to clean around the blades. Avoid harsh scrubbers that can damage the seals. We recommend a narrow brush set that's perfect for tight areas. Link in the description. 3. Check the gasket area. Food buildup around the silicone gasket can cause odor and leaking. Use a slim brush to clean underneath, but don't pry the gasket out unless it's necessary. It's easy to damage. 4. Let all parts fully dry. Moisture left in the base or inside the cup can lead to mold or electrical issues. Dry everything with a clean towel or let it air dry before reassembling. Done right, a quick clean after each blend keeps your Ninja Blast performing like new. If you want the right tools for the job, we've linked a cleaning brush set made for blenders just like this. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.